day. This is Kit 5 and this is our approved project, Flood Monitoring Alert System. First of all, what is Flood Monitoring Alert System? This project monitors water level using ultrasonic sensors and Arduino Uno. It provides early flag warning with buzzer, LED and LCD display when exceed a safe threshold. The material used are Arduino Uno ultrasonic sensors, buzzer, LED plus resistors, LCD display, breadboard, and also jumper wires. This is how it works. Start, measure water level. And is it safe? If no, active buzzer, LED, and display alert. And if it yes, display safe. And loop back again to the start to repeat the process. This is the simulation. As you can see, the green light is only the turned on LED, and when the water exceed in 25 below, it is the yellow. It means warning. So when exceed in the lower 10 or 10 below, it means alert and buzzer turned on. And if in terms of coding, this is our code. So we define the LCD display and the connection of LED, ultrasonic, and buzzer. Next is the indication of LCD. When the water level exceed in 26, green light is on. When the water level 25 below is yellow, so it means warning. And if the water level is below 10, the red light will open. Actually, lahat sila open. And the buzzer. And that's all. Thank you very much.